The most important step in SEO keyword research is brainstorming for keywords. Brainstorming means using your brain, mind, and logic to come up with different ideas for keywords. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can come up with different keywords by using your brain. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about how to do the brainstorming before finding keywords for SEO or finalizing keywords for SEO. Whenever we have a project or a web page for keyword research, we first look at the content of the page and try to generate keyword ideas related to that content. For example, if I have a website where there are different IT courses and I come to one of the pages that is related to digital marketing course and training. If I have to research keywords for that page, I will first think about the keywords related to that page, and I will think about keywords like digital marketing course, digital marketing training, digital marketing course in budget. So I will consider these ideas or think these ideas. Basically, I will try to think about what my audience will search when they expect my page on their search engine results. I have to consider everything that my audience can think. Even if a school student who doesn't know anything about digital marketing, if that person types best IT courses, I will try to relate it to digital marketing too. If my audience types best internet marketing, social media course, search engine course, even if he types such keywords, he should see my webpage too. Because these are the categories of digital marketing. So in such cases, first of all, you have to think about what keywords can our user type. You have to think about it yourself. Then we will think about the categories of the main keyword like digital marketing as I took. You can note down all these categories. Then we will take help from Google. As I told you, Google gives us a lot of hints. We just need to know how to use them perfectly. I am using Google itself because who will know better than Google that which is the famous keyword on this topic. Then I will also get a lots of LSI keywords from Google too. Before that, a soft reminder for your viewers that don't miss any video of this complete course, SEO course. You will get the link of playlist from description box, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any video. Now let's go to the Google and see how we can brainstorm more keywords from there. Like, for example, my seed keyword is digital marketing training in Lahore. I just simply type my keyword and I go to the end of the search engine result page. People also search for these will be my keyword like online digital marketing training in Lahore, digital marketing course in Johar town, Lumps digital marketing course, free digital marketing course in Lahore will be my keyword ideas. Then I just simply put my cursor here and I am not typing anything, but all the black words that are exposing to me by Google will be my keyword ideas for me, like free digital, Arfa Tower Lahore, digital courses, SEO training in Lahore. All of these will be my keywords. Then I just put my cursor between the my seed keyword and put underscore here. I will just make sure that to give space before and after the underscore, and the between keywords will be my between the keywords my seed keyword will be exposed to me by Google. And next I will consider my competitor sites too, like digital marketing course in Lahore, Pakistan is a potential keyword. Introduction to digital marketing, best digital marketing, advanced digital marketing. All of these words like introduction, best and advanced will be my keyword if I consider them, and I should also consider them. I should. Then I just simply put a keyword or add a keyword advanced in my seed keyword, and you can see that this search result is also changed. I just go to scroll down the page and here are the results. These are also changed by adding a single keyword. Then last but not least, I will also consider FAQ, frequently asked questions by people. You can also brainstorm keywords here, like how long is advanced digital marketing course, what are the benefits of digital marketing, how many times does a digital marketing course take. So these all of these will be my keyword by brainstorming my keywords from Google. In this way, you will generate some ideas. These are not my final keywords. I have to do more research. Some changes are also needed, like how will we use them by using tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, SEMrush, Ashrefs, Moz, and Google Keyword Trends too, which will help us to know that what keywords are best and long lasting for us. Now, viewers, you can understand the strategy, apply it. Here, now it's time to do a little task. Take any topic and as I took and generate some ideas. Start brainstorming for your own keyword research. Thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video.